Stop scrolling. No, really, stop. Take a breath. Look at your screen. This isn't just another video. This isn't just another voice in the endless noise of the internet. This is the moment you decide if your past is going to keep holding you back or if you're finally ready to break free and go harder than you ever have before. I want you to listen, really listen, because what I'm about to say isn't for everyone. It's not for the ones who want to stay comfortable. It's not for the ones who want to keep making excuses. It's for the ones who are tired of being tired. It's for the ones who are ready to fight for their future, no matter how hard it gets. Let's get real. You've been through things most people will never understand. You've carried pain, loss, heartbreak, disappointment, even trauma that left scars nobody else can see. But here's the truth. You're still here, you're still breathing, you're still fighting, and that means you're not done yet. 2026 is not just another year, it's your comeback year. It's the year you stop letting your past define you and start letting it drive you. It's the year you turn every scar into strength, every setback into a setup for your next breakthrough. And if you stay with me until the end, I promise you'll walk away with a mindset that can't be broken. So don't go anywhere. This is your moment. Let's talk about pain. Not the kind you post about for sympathy, not the kind you use as an excuse. I'm talking about the pain that keeps you up at night, the pain that makes you question your worth. The pain that makes you wonder if you'll ever feel whole again. Maybe you lost someone you loved. Maybe you failed at something you gave your whole heart to. Maybe you trusted the wrong people and they broke you. Maybe you've been fighting a battle inside your own mind that nobody else can see. I know what it's like to feel broken, to wake up with a weight on your chest wondering if you'll ever feel light again, to look in the mirror and see someone you barely recognize. But listen, healing isn't about erasing the past. It's about owning it. It's about saying, yeah, I've been through hell, but I'm still standing and I'm not going anywhere. You want to know the secret to resilience? It's not about being unbreakable. It's about refusing to stay broken. It's about getting up one more time, every time, no matter how many times life knocks you down. Now, let's talk about choice. Right now, you have a choice. You can keep letting your past control you, or you can decide right here, right now, that you're going to take your power back. You can let your trauma be your prison, or you can let it be your platform. You can let your pain make you bitter, or you can let it make you better. You can let your scars remind you of what hurt you, or you can let them remind you of what you survived. If you're still watching, you're not just a survivor, you're a warrior. You're the kind of person who gets back up even when nobody's cheering. You're the kind of person who keeps moving forward even when the road is dark and lonely. And if you're still here, I want you to know there's something coming in this video that could change everything for you. So don't click away. Stay with me. Let's dive into what resilience really is. It's not just a buzzword. It's not just something you're born with. It's something you build day by day, choice by choice, moment by moment. Science tells us that the brain is plastic. That means it can change, it can heal, it can grow, but only if you put in the work. Every time you face your fears, you rewire your brain. Every time you get up after a setback, you build new strength. Every time you choose hope over despair, you become more resilient. So don't tell me you can't change. Don't tell me you're stuck. Don't tell me your trauma is too big, your pain is too deep, your scars are too ugly. You are not your trauma. You are not your scars. You are not your setbacks. You are the comeback. Let's pause for a second and do something powerful. Go find a mirror. Look yourself in the eye. Ask yourself, am I really living or am I just surviving? Am I letting my past control my future? Am I ready to go hard? Or am I just hoping things will get better on their own? Be honest, because honesty is the first step to healing. You can't fix what you won't face. You can't heal what you keep hiding. So here's your first challenge. Drop a fire in the comments if you've ever been through something that almost broke you, but you're still here. Let's see who the real survivors are. Let's see who's ready to turn pain into power. Now let's get into the mindset of a warrior. You want a go-hard mindset for 2026. It starts with this. Refuse to let your past steal your future. Refuse to let pain make you bitter. Refuse to let fear make you small. Instead, use it. Use every scar as a reminder of what you survived. Use every setback as fuel to go harder. Use every tear, every sleepless night, every moment you almost gave as proof that you are stronger than anything that tried to break you. There will be days when the memories hit hard, when the old wounds ache. Oh, when the world feels heavy and hope feels far away. But those are the days that matter most. Those are the days you build resilience. Those are the days you prove to yourself and to everyone watching that you are unstoppable. And if you're still here, I want you to know there's a reason. You're about to hear something that could flip the switch for you. So keep watching. Let's talk about community. You are not alone. You are not the only one fighting this battle. There are millions of people out there just like you who are trying to heal, trying to grow, trying to go hard in a world that keeps trying to break them. So let's build a community. Let's build a movement. Let's lift each other up. Let's remind each other that we are not our pain. We are our progress. If you're ready, drop a 2026 Go Hard in the comments. Let's build a community of warriors, people who refuse to let trauma win, who refuse to let pain define them, who refuse to let anything stop them from becoming the person they were meant to be. Now, let's talk about the power of your story. Every champion you admire, every legend you look up to, they all had a moment when they almost quit. They all had a moment when the pain was too much, when the mountain looked too high, when the world told them to give up. But they didn't. They went harder. They found something inside themselves that refused to break. Your story is not over. Your story is just getting started. And the best chapters are the ones you write when you refuse to give up. So here's what I want you to do. Think about the one thing in your life that hurt you the most. The thing you never talk about. The thing you wish you could forget. Now look it in the eye. Say it out loud, because if you can face it, you can beat it. If you can own your story, you can write a new ending. And if you're still here, you're about to get the blueprint for turning pain into power. Don't miss what's next. Let's talk about action. Vision without action is just a dream. So here's your next step. Take one action today that moves you closer to your goal. Just one. It doesn't have to be big. It just has to be real. Then come back and tell us what you did. Let's hold each other accountable. Let's make progress together. Let's talk about discipline. Motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is showing up on the days when you'd rather stay in bed. Discipline is saying no to distractions, no to excuses, no to anything that doesn't move you forward. If you're still watching, you've got discipline. You've got focus. You've got the heart of a champion. And that's what it takes to go hard in 2026. Now let's talk about sacrifice. You want to go hard in 2026, you're going to have to give something up. Maybe it's comfort. Maybe it's sleep. Maybe it's toxic people who keep you stuck. Maybe it's the old version of yourself that's afraid to take risks. Whatever it is, let it go. Make room for the new. Make room for the growth. Make room for the greatness that's waiting for you. If you're still here, you're not just a viewer, you're a part of this movement. You're a part of the Go Hard family, and we don't leave anyone behind. So if you see someone in the comments struggling, lift them up. If you see someone winning, celebrate them, because together we go further. Together we go harder. Let's talk about vision. What do you see when you close your eyes and picture your best life? What does success look like for you in 2026? Is it financial freedom? Is it peace of mind? Is it a body you're proud of? Is it a business that changes lives? Whatever it is, write it down. Speak it out loud. Make it real. Because if you can see it, you can achieve it. But vision without action is just a dream. So here's your next step. Take one action today that moves you closer to your goal. Just one. It doesn't have to be big. It just has to be real. Then come back and tell us what you did. Let's hold each other accountable. Let's make progress together. Let's talk about gratitude. It's easy to focus on what you don't have, on what's not working, on what's missing. But gratitude shifts your perspective. Gratitude reminds you of how far you've come. Gratitude gives you the strength to keep going, even when the road gets tough. So right now, drop one thing you're grateful for in the comments. Let's flood this feed with positivity. Let's remind ourselves that even on the hardest days, there's always something to be thankful for. Now let's talk about legacy. What do you want to be remembered for? What mark do you want to leave on the world? What story do you want people to tell about you when you're gone? Legacy isn't built in a day. It's built in the choices you make, the actions you take, the way you show up day after day, year after year, 2026 is your chance to start building that legacy. Don't waste it. Don't let it slip through your fingers. Don't let another year go by wishing you'd done more, tried harder, gone further. So here's your final challenge. Make a promise to yourself right now. Say it out loud. Write it down. Share it in the comments. I will go hard in 2026. I will not quit. I will not settle. I will not let anything or anyone stop me from becoming the person I was meant to be. But let's get real for a second. There will be moments when you want to quit. There will be moments when your mind screams at you to stop, when your body begs for rest, when your heart feels like it can't take another hit. That's when you have to dig deeper. That's when you have to remember why you started. That's when you have to remind yourself that pain is temporary, but quitting lasts forever. Every scar is a story. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. And the story you write in 2026, it's up to you. Will it be a story of regret or a story of resilience? Will it be a story of excuses or a story of execution? If you're ready to write a new story, if you're ready to go harder than you ever have before, stay with me, because the next part is where most people quit, but not you. Let's talk about self-belief. There will be days when you feel alone. There will be days when nobody believes in you, when nobody understands your vision. That's when you have to remind yourself why you started, why you can't quit, why you have to keep going, no matter what. You have a purpose. You have a mission. You have a reason to go hard in 2026. Maybe it's your family. Maybe it's your future. Maybe it's the promise you made to yourself that you refuse to break. Whatever it is, hold on to it. Let it fuel you. Let it drive you. Let it push you to go harder than you ever have before. Now let's reflect. Imagine this. It's late at night. You're tired. You're alone, but you're still grinding. You're still fighting. You're still going hard because you know what's at stake. You know that every day you go hard, you get one step closer to the life you want. You know that every day you show up, you're building something nobody can take from you. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you've ever felt like giving up but kept going anyway. Let's see who the real fighters are. Let's see who's got that unbreakable spirit. Because here's the truth. The only thing that can stop you in 2026 is you. No setback, no failure, no loss, no pain. Nothing can stop you if you refuse to stop. The world doesn't care about your excuses. The world doesn't care about your reasons. The world only cares about results. And results come to those who refuse to quit, who refuse to settle, who refuse to let anything or anyone stand in their way. You're going to have to fight for every inch. You're going to have to claw your way through the setbacks, the failures, the disappointments. You're going to have to dig deep to find strength you didn't know you had, to keep moving forward when everything in you wants to turn back. If you're still here, you're not just a viewer. You're a part of this movement. You're a part of the Go Hard family, and we don't leave anyone behind. So if you see someone in the comments struggling, lift them up. If you see someone winning, celebrate them, because together we go further. Together we go harder. Let's talk about forgiveness, not for the people who hurt you, but for yourself. Forgive yourself for the mistakes you made when you didn't know better. Forgive yourself for the times you let fear win. Forgive yourself for the days you didn't go hard, for the days you stayed in bed, for the days you let your pain control you, because healing starts with forgiveness. And forgiveness starts with you. Let's talk about faith. You have to believe that better days are coming. You have to believe that your best days are ahead of you, not behind you. You have to believe that every setback is setting you up for something greater. Faith is not about having all the answers. Faith is about taking the next step even when you can't see the whole path. So take that step. Go hard. Trust the process. Trust yourself. Let's talk about consistency. Consistency beats intensity. It's not about going hard once. It's about going hard every day, even when you don't feel like it. It's about showing up day after day, year after year, until your dreams become your reality. So here's your next challenge. Pick one thing you can do every day to move closer to your goal. Just one. Do it for a week, then do it for a month, then do it for a year. Watch how your life changes. Let's talk about the power of now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for the pain to go away. Don't wait for someone to save you. The time is now. The power is in your hands. The choice is yours, So get up, get moving, get after it, because 2026 is waiting for you. and it's not going to wait forever. Go hard. Stay hard. This is your year. Don't let it slip away. If you're ready, drop a 2026 Go Hard in the comments. Share this with someone who needs it. Save it for the days you want to quit. And remember, this is just the beginning. Let's make history. Let's go hard. Together. And if you made it to the end, you're not just a survivor. You're a leader. You're the kind of person who inspires others just by refusing to give up. So keep going. Keep fighting. Keep pushing. Because the world needs more people like you. When you look back at the end of 2026, you'll know you didn't just watch another video. You made a decision. You took action. Now, you change your life. Go hard. Stay hard. This is your year. Don't let it slip away. If you're ready, drop a 2026 Go Hard in the comments. Let's make history. Let's go hard together.